The world is now changing faster than ever before in the history of humanity. Technological progress and digital transformation are more complex and global than we have ever experienced in the past. Companies need to be aware of disruption and, above all, the complexity that this entails. Digitization is not an end in itself. It must create benefits and make success visible in companies. For us, there is a very clear link. A good digital use case pays off quickly and also offers the opportunity to develop further businesses out of it. For complicated situations, lean management philosophy was an ideal prerequisite for culture, attitude, and mindset. As we now enter a more complex world, agility is the logical continuation of this. It is important and necessary to use agile project management in digital transformation because agile project management means that very large packages can be cut into small pieces and processed consecutively in short sprints. As an organization, you need to provide the framework, and as a leader, you have to empower people to build trust. If an employee does not understand everyone can influence a particular topic, then everything the employee does is good. We want to go from good to great. Everyone has the chance to influence the process, and an idea that opens a new door may come from somewhere you would not have guessed. We say, be prepared to lead, but also be prepared to follow. Today was a very exciting day because I learned a lot about how other companies are dealing with the topic of lean and what challenges they face. I think it's good that we have the opportunity to speak with colleagues from other companies and that everyone is open and actually discusses the problems they are dealing with. Ultimately, the participants present today can easily remember everything, really any kind of information, be it technical or general knowledge, numbers, dates, facts, schedules, or maybe just even jokes. The point is that if I want to remember anything, for example, a name or a face, I have to store it in that moment so that later, when I need it, I can go right back to that place, open that compartment, and easily retrieve the information. To summarize, today's Congress has shown me that we must absolutely push ahead with the topic of leadership development so that we can respond to the new expectations of the younger generation, but also become more agile and increase flexibility in our work. The main message is, be curious, stay curious, seek out learning situations as often as possible to gain insights that you can then use for your business.